Hey, it's Bucket Bacon Trees. Thanks for stopping by. Today is about sound design, and specifically designing the sound of a creature, a giant creature on a beach. I shot the footage in California. I got some green screen creature footage and explosions and stuff like that. And I put that together, but the key element was the creature screaming. Now, you think, okay, what does a giant creature sound like? I don't know what it sounds like. I just have to imagine it. So in this case, the core element, or the fundamental element of the creature screaming, was a large 8-foot table being dragged slowly and quickly across a floor in a classroom, and just recording that, and then adding various other maybe tables and different elements. I'll go through them one by one, but let's take a look at the giant creature screaming on the beach right now. So really quickly, what I did was I took the sound, the raw sound of a desk I have up here in my bin. So we're just dragging a desk across a classroom floor. There's natural reverb in the classroom, so we use that, of course, because it's part of the sound. And we just basically grab the best ones. So I took that into, in this case I was doing it in the classroom to start, and I took it into Audacity, and I pitched it down just enough till it sounds lower and more growly, and added a reverb to it. But here's the sound of the thing, which is pitched down now. So it's one of these sounds. That one there, just pitched down, with a bit of reverb added onto it. I added a previous creature sound to sweeten it up. From years ago, I found I did some creature sounds, and I put a little bit in there. I mixed a little bit in there, but then I added another table scrape. So more table scraping against the floor. Now a track of a dino bird that I created years ago. But just a little bit of not too much of that. I didn't want to overdo that. I wanted to sweeten it up a bit because I felt there had to be more of a shriekiness added somewhere to the giant creature. And then I added yet another creature sound I made. So I layered together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sounds to make the creature. And when you hear them all together, one more time. So I might even take the screech down a little bit, but I kind of like it right there, so I'll leave it. Anyway, so there's 5 elements to create the creature screeching, but then I got some creature growling. More table noises of the creature growling. And the fundamental sound of the actual screech. The explosion sound, I mixed a bunch of different sounds together. I had explosion sounds I did years ago, but I mixed them together. Let's hear those one by one. Okay, then we have this one, which is a lower frequency explosion. I added to it. I enhanced the bass a little bit too. But then I had this weird sound. You hear that? It's like a watery sound. It was an accidental sound that I got from one of my sound files here. I think it's this one. Where I was making creature stomps with a garbage can. I picked up the garbage can and I slapped it against the floor. That's what it sounds like. And then I put a low-pass filter on it to totally filter out the high frequencies and only enhance the lower frequencies. So you don't hear the attack. And this is the sound of that. That's for the footsteps. And the footsteps have slightly different quality sound. Like the back ones have a lower pitch sound and the front ones have a higher pitch sound, just so it sounds a little different. But I enhanced that with this sound, which is this up here. When I recorded the garbage can in the school classroom, I got this weird sound by moving the microphone. And I thought, oh, okay, I could use that to enhance the explosion. So let's build that explosion. Add to it another explosion sound with more bass, and then add to it that low frequency weird sound that accidentally got recorded. Just to give it a low wavering kind of feel. And then I enhanced the footsteps. If I just highlight the footsteps of the creature with the low frequency warbly sound, the accidental sound that I got. Put them all together. And that's about it. So that took about 3 hours to finish the creature sound and basically make that 30-second video. Thank you very much, and please subscribe. And I'll try to I'll work harder at making more videos that are useful. Thank you.